Hey guys, today we're looking at a 2014 Harley Davidson Dyna lowrider. This is in vivid black. We also have the bright red pinstriping and Harley Davidson logo. So this bike has a lot of really nice upgrades. We've got the intake, that Willie G skull on the rear brake pedal. All the chrome on here looks beautiful. We've got a dual Vance and Hines exhaust system, blacked out turn signal lenses, really nice derby cover, and skull on the shift linkage. You can also see that they've upgraded to steel braided lines that go all the way up onto these higher handlebars, upgraded levers. Everything is smoked out on the front as well. Really clean bike. Come take a look. Come take it for a test ride. We are open 6 days a week.